Hello friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how to change image position in Elementor in WordPress, right? As you can see, we are into the Elementor. Here I'm editing one of my web page of my website using Elementor, right? So here you can see a plus icon is getting displayed in middle of the screen. Using this plus icon we can simply add a container. So here it is asking us about the layout. Whenever we click on plus icon, now here we are going to select the flex box, and in the structure type we are going to select direction column. Okay, now the container is appearing in front of us, and to edit this container you can simply click on edit container option just above the container. So we are going to click on this 6 dots, right? And in the left side toolbar, in the container settings, we have three kinds of settings. The first one is layout, the second one is style, and the third one is advanced. So we are here going to select the style, and in the style we can simply select the background type as classic, and choose image. For example, I have choose this image. Now I'm going to click on select. Now the image is not getting displayed properly because the height of this container is too small. So here I'm going to layout settings and increase the height of this container. Okay, so I have increased the height of this container. Now going back to the style settings, right? And in the style settings we are into the background, and we have already added the background image, right? And in the position settings we are going to change the position settings. So there are multiple options like default, center, center left, center right, top center, top left, top right, bottom center, bottom left, bottom right, and custom. We are going to click on custom, and here we can simply adjust the Y position, right? As you can see, whenever I increase the Y, the image starts going down, and whenever I select reduce the Y position, then image automatically starts going upside. So this is how you can increase or decrease the Y position, right? And you can also adjust the X position as well, right? So in this manner you can simply adjust the image position in Elementor and WordPress. Apart from it, if you want to learn more about Elementor, then I've added my blog link in video description. You can simply visit my blog and read articles related to Elementor with video tutorials, right? And if you are interested in learning digital marketing in detail, then also I've added my website link in video description. You can simply visit my website and explore our digital marketing course, and you can purchase the course directly from there. Thank you so much.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.